Hello and welcome. The Microsoft Dynamics Migration Program is an exciting opportunity for our customers. Microsoft is making a significant investment as a way for older AX customers to move to Dynamics 365. Our offer includes a 2-day paid assessment engagement. The compelling reason for you to move is to take advantage of the avalanche of new functionality in Dynamics. This video is intended as a short teaser demo to share the history of Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations since AX 2009. Our speakers from Microsoft today are Tom Higginbotham, Deb Vermillion, and me, Bob Pederson. We are Dynamics technical specialists. In this slide, you see the original release date of AX 2009 in 2008. Dynamics AX has over 85 major module adds and enhancements since then. The product has changed in 5 big ways. It is a cloud-based app running on Microsoft Azure. The updated UI is modern and uses an Edge, Chrome, or Safari browser client. The app can be accessed on most desktop and mobile devices. Development is now done via extensions using Microsoft Azure DevOps. 5, Microsoft invested heavily to improve the product to compete in the Tier 1 space. This demo is in 3 pieces. Come on, let's go. The agenda for the video today consists of 3 main topics, as you see here. We added some video timestamps so viewers could move to other sections quickly. Note, the timestamps are pretty close. Enjoy.
Notable improvements and enhancements to Dynamics 365 beyond transformation to a cloud-based service are noted here. I'll cover a few of these over the next few minutes. A collection of pre-built analytic dashboards are included with the service and are based on the Microsoft Power BI visualization platform. These dashboards are available automatically and, unlike prior versions of AX, require no additional purchase or configuration. Business users consume and interact with the analytics just like any other Power BI report. In addition, users can edit the analytics in the Power BI authoring experience. Dual Write is the data integration service used specifically by Dynamics 365 and is configured in this low-code, no-code configuration page. Dual Write is a tightly coupled, near real-time and bidirectional integration between finance and supply chain apps and customer engagement apps in the common data service. Any create, update, or delete in either direction results in writes in near real time to the common data service. For example, creating a customer in finance and supply chain creates an account in the common data service and vice versa. Lifecycle Services is the implementation, support, and collaboration portal for Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain. It delivers a single view of the project implementation that all stakeholders in the organization can visit to see the up-to-date status of the project at any time. LCS also provides visibility and management access to the environments that are deployed in the cloud service subscription. The Task Recorder allows you to create tutorial-based experiences that can guide users through specific business processes that you've implemented. Task recordings are published and made available to business users in the online help system. This allows new users or new hires to get up to speed quickly on the system or serve as reference for tasks that users infrequently perform. Finally, task guides can generate documentation in the form of Word documents, including screenshots. This concludes this brief discussion of technology and platform enhancements to Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain above and beyond Dynamics AX.
Hello, here you see a list of major modules and enhancements since AX 2009. We will look at a few of the major ones. Warehouse Management was acquired in July 2013 from the Dynamics ISV Blue Horseshoe for version AX 2012. It features advanced warehouse management, supporting all inbound and outbound inventory tasks, also supporting directed putaways and wave picking, location and palletizing functions. RF and handheld devices support automatically generated work. Also, barcode and labeling, load and shipment building with TMS integration. TMS, or Transportation Management, extends the WMS to automate rate and route calculations plus freight reconciliations. Dynamics Retail, released in AX 2012 as an omni-channel retail system unifying the back office, in-store, call centers, and e-commerce. Modern POS and mobile POS support are both featured as configurable interfaces across multiple hardware devices and platforms. In Dynamics 365 Commerce, customers can now create, customize, and deploy retail websites using the new Commerce functionality. Dynamics 365 Commerce releases in 2020 as one Dynamics product, bringing all the pieces together as a single solution to provide a delightful shopping journey for consumers across the different touchpoints. Benefits to Dynamics customers include building brand loyalty, increasing revenue through improved employee productivity, optimizing operations to reduce costs, and driving supply chain efficiencies. You can read about how Patagonia and Chateau Saint Michel wineries use Dynamics 365 Commerce at Microsoft.com. Lean manufacturing was introduced in AX 2012 and complemented our AX discrete manufacturing to make it a mixed mode model for both pull and push styles of production. Lean uses Kanbans in fixed, scheduled, and event styles to support make-to-order and make-to-stock types of planning and production. Process manufacturing was introduced in AX 2012 as an ISV acquisition, fully formed with formulas and recipes, byproducts and coproducts, and reverse manufacturing. Process batch orders use batch sizes and batch attributes, can account for scalability, potency, and yield management. We could address the needs of industries like pharma, chemical, proteins, and consumer packaged goods. Dynamics manufacturers can now adjust production real-time, create accurate process models, account for loss in yields, and get full visibility and traceability. It gives them a tailored, mixed-mode production style that discrete systems alone could not offer. This concludes the discussion of changes made to supply chain management in Dynamics 365. Now, let's turn it over to Deb.
So many great things have happened with financials since AX 2009 and continue to be enhanced in D365 for finance. I will touch on 4 or 5 of these key enhancements in the next few minutes. The first big change was the expansion of the financial framework for unlimited financial dimensions. This allows for table-driven dimensions such as items, customers, projects, but also adding your own custom dimensions that you may set up for unlimited traceability in the ledger. Along with that came shared chart of accounts across legal entities and configuration of account structures, which allows you to control what dimensions can be used with what accounts and if blanks are allowed, minimizing financial posting errors. I love our two-way Excel integration, as well as the predefined Excel templates, where the business logic editing and data selection lets me create general journal entries directly in Excel and publish back to the client. This can also be done with master data files, improving efficiency and productivity of maintaining data. A huge benefit of the new UI is the workspaces that provide actionable tabs, key visuals, lists, and links to your functional activities. This credit and collection workspace is key for monitoring credit status, for age balances, over credit limits, and past dues. You can also organize credit collection process with the use of our case framework to formalize and workflow the collection process. Another major addition is the new Enterprise Credit Management module to proactively automate credit cases, suggest credit limits, manage credit risk scores, put orders on hold, and much more to reduce bad debts and improve cash flow. One of my favorite other workspaces is the Financial Period Close workspace. This lets you track your financial period close process across multiple companies, functional areas, and people. This formal organization and tracking allows companies to close books faster and make financial decisions quicker. One CFO at a large home furnishing and lending retailer said they reduced the close process by 40%. Another major addition was Revenue Recognition Management, which provides automation to help comply with IFRS 15 and Accounting Standards ASC 606. Its built-in capabilities to automatically defer and recognize revenue based on ASC 606 and full traceability back to the source document from General Ledger is key in complying to these standards. I look forward to drilling down in these new amazing capabilities with you, as well as many more.
Look for deeper dives into these 3 topics in the future. Thanks for your time today.